मुंबई फूजी फिल्म इंडिया ने मुंबई में A3 कलर के 5 नए मॉडल और मोनोक्रोम मल्टीफंक्शन प्रिंटर पैमैक्स 2024 में लॉन्च किए। इन पांचों प्रिंटिंग प्रोडक्ट्स की बिक्री फरवरी 6, 2024 से शुरू होगी। एपीओस सीरीज के तहत ये 5 मल्टीफंक्शन प्रिंटर अपनी हाई स्पीड और बेहतर प्रिंट आउटपुट क्षमताओं के साथ अलग अलग प्रिंटिंग जरूरतों को पूरा करने का काम करते हैं। ये प्रिंटर ग्राहक की विभिन्न प्रिंटिंग जरूरतें जैसे कि SRA3 का कागज आकार 52 से 300 GSM का कागज का वजन और 320 गुना 1200 मिमी तक की बैनर प्रिंटिंग जरूरतें पूरी कर सकते हैं। इसके अलावा बड़े एंटरप्राइजेस और कॉरपोरेट्स में रिमोट वर्क लाइफ स्टाइल को सपोर्ट करने के लिए ये प्रोडक्ट बिना समय और स्थान की बाधा के क्लाउड कनेक्टिविटी और ऑपरेशनल दक्षता को बढ़ावा देने वाले बेहतर इंटीग्रेशन की सहूलियत देते हैं। यूजर यूनिवर्सल प्रिंट 2 माइक्रोसॉफ्ट क्लाउड आधारित प्रिंटिंग सोल्यूशन के साथ कहीं से भी प्रिंट कर सकते हैं, जिससे प्रिंट सर्वर और प्रिंटर ड्राइव इंस्टॉल करने की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है। ये प्रिंटिंग प्रोडक्ट्स अमेरिकी सिक्योरिटी स्टैंडर्ड NIST SP 800, 171, 172, का पालन करते हैं। ये स्टैंडर्ड नेटवर्क कनेक्शन की सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करता है और डिवाइस में स्टोर डेटा से इंफॉर्मेशन लीकेज को रोकता है। ये प्रोडक्ट्स मल्टीफंक्शन प्रिंटर WPA3 को भी सपोर्ट करते हैं, जो वायरलेस LAN की सुरक्षा को बेहतर बनाता है। इसके अलावा ये प्रिंटर्स एडवांस एन्क्रिप्शन के साथ लेटेस्ट इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड सिक्योरिटी चिप TPM 2.0 से लैस है।
Thank you for coming today. My name is Gaurav Sachdeva. I handle product marketing for DT Business for Fujifilm India. आज का जो product है हमारा, that is a very unique product for the Indian market. What we are actually launching today is 3 color MFPs and 2 mono MFPs. 3 color MFPs starting from 35 ppm, 45 ppm and 55 ppm. In color, this is the range. In mono, we have 45 and 55 ppm. So these are the 5 models that we are launching today. The media handling is a key element of these products, which is 300 GSM up to 300 GSM is what this product prints, and on the lower side 52 GSM is what this product handles on the media side. When it comes to the size of the media that this product handles, it handles up to 3 local, from 4 trays it can handle up to SRA3 paper, which means technically 12 by 18. This is a very important feature for jobber market in India, and this, when it comes with a very low running cost, it's a game changer for the Indian market. Also, the product has a unique specification. As I said, it comes with 4 trays and it comes with a standard single pass dual scan document feeder with a 170 sheet capacity. Now what this does is, with the scanning capabilities getting enhanced, you can use it for corporates, jobbers, both. And when it comes to the memory, it has 4 GB RAM and it has 120 GB SSD. So the processing of the print stays faster, and the prints get processed faster. So that's the uniqueness in terms of the product. These are the products that we are launching after our initial launch of 6 models, which were launched in September 2023, and now we totally in India have 11 models in A3 category and 2 models in the A4 category, which is color. So that's the product range that we have currently for the Indian market. So first is the running cost. That is really affordable, because these products somebody buys for, let's say, 3 years or 5 years. The acquisition cost definitely matters, the initial cost definitely matters, but the cost of running of the equipment also matters a lot. So this is the lowest running cost that is there. The second part is the unique features. When I say unique features in terms of the media handling. When I say 12 by 18 in this category of product, it is available with a lot of competition, but with the quality that we offer, it is very unique. With the 300 GSM auto duplexing from the machine, so you don't have to take out the print and do the print on the other side. So this, in this range, in this product category, auto duplexing is very rare, and this is what we are offering to our customers for time saving, for ease of use, and for the convenience of the overall customer. So those are the some unique features that we are looking at.
क्या कस्टमर को कुछ ऐसा मैसेज देना चाहेंगे जिससे वो परचेज करें, मार्केट में ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँचे?
Sure. So we all would be aware that Fujifilm is known for its reliability and for its color output. I can guarantee you one thing as a customer, that you will be satisfied with the kind of color quality that we are getting in this category of products in this market. So we would request you to come to our partners' offices, our demo zones, and see it for yourself, try the product, taste it, and then buy it.